The latest controversy in the dancehall arena, Foota Hype and I-Octane, Jaii Frais and him party with Chronic Law. Greetings and salutations. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari over here on People's TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman channel. Ladies and gentlemen, Foota Hype and I-Octane state they are happy that Chronic Law did not perform at Jaii Frais Party, the new dancehall hero he's dubbed. The latest drama in the dancehall surrounding Chronic Law, Jaii Frais and the fans have to say as to what is acceptable or from what's not acceptable in the culture regarding sexuality. While many dancehallers accept Jaii Frais' sexual kinkiness as he expressed in an interview, many others are totally against it. Jaii Frais discussed his taboo sexual activity on TikTok with well-known Jamaican adult film star Sashana Gapeteaser, who candidly shared her well-known experience with the public. Now, his experience was an experience that he had encouraged him not to feel ashamed about his sexual preference. Tra-la-la-la-la. I told you the Jamaicans them are wibble. Two persons who have been campaigning against Frais kinkiness are Foota Hype and I-Octane, with Foota earlier declaring that he's waiting to see which artist and which selector perform at Jaii Frais Party. Notable, Jay did announce at the party that Chronic Law would not perform because of the police saying that the party was over on Sunday. After the no-show from Chronic Law, Foota Hype took to Instagram and wrote the new dancehall hero at One Law, Chronic Law 357. Straight Nation, approve your badness, stand for straightness, or fall for toilet and straight we pick. Big up the St. Thomas native, me soon go live. Following dancehallers, I-Octane respond to the Foota's remark by saying, one BBC Law, fire emoji. One fan commented, oh no, Foota, he was there. However, police said he could not perform. Just the same with his show in Westmoreland, police lock it off. Another fan wrote, Law boss, clapping emoji. Straight Nation win again. Imagine! Amidst the spectacular and the speculation as to why Chronic Law did not perform, Chronic Law, who has not responded to the matter directly, seemingly reacted indirectly via multiple IG stories. Ladies and gentlemen, he put out Love the Madness. People have studied me for years, and when the test come, them still fail. Imagine, man, I go a Jaii Frais party where I talk about body wash. That is what's really going on. And them boy I chat about, them like it. Fire! Them a wibble, them a wobble, them eely, them snaky, them snily, them slimy. Me fi say, yeah, I'm talking about them fishy. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if Chronic Law just weasel him way out of this one by arranging the police them to shut off the party. Because what you are doing a Batman party? What you are doing a fishy party? Listen, me not said it just for hearty. But Foota Hype and I-Octane, Uno a run out there and I give Chronixx Law the fame for shunning, for leaving. Him should not show up to the party at all. Fire, lava, them boy are too pretty. That means they could be shitty. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if you think Foota them a look some bucketive fi defend them straightness. Or if them already fall into the fishy matrix. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Boy, build up the Rastaman panel. Imagine a data guan.
Man, a deep roots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep roots. Fire,